Here we are back on the Des Moines River. We covered this sandbar, found some cool stuff, and now we're going to let the current take us on down, and it's moving kind of nicely here. There's Mark up there in his kayak, and look at these bluffs. It's farm ground up there, or woods. I don't venture over to there at all. I just kind of stay and search for sandbars. So we're going to be coming up to a bridge, and I think there's going to be a nice sandbar down there. But we have a nice current pushing us right now. It's just very peaceful. We've seen bald eagle, some herons, little frog. So this is pretty nice. Thank you for watching.
Leaves are beginning to turn a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. We're at one of our stops along the way on this beautiful sandbar. See if we can find anything interesting. Looks like we've got a curve coming up, heading around the bend. But yeah, it's just nice to get out, get some exercise, fresh air, and see what we can see. There's a beautiful little butterfly. I don't know what kind that one is. It'll stay still for me, I'll film it. There it is. That's pretty. I'll try to get a picture of it so I can identify it with my insect identification app. The wind has turned, it's going to fight us a little bit, but nothing too bad. It's trying to whirl me around as it's pulling me with the current here. Get myself straightened out maybe. There we go. I'm flowing with the current. It's a beautiful day. Haven't found anything spectacular, but it's still just nice to get out and get some exercise and breathe some clean air. Des Moines River. We searched that sandbar. Found a few nice rocks. That was about it. The currents carry us along nicely here.
Just going out of town.
Yeah, you got to be careful coming out of Briggs Woods with those rocks, especially if the current is strong. Yeah, that's the first big rock I've seen in this river. I think we'll float on by that one. Not enough rock, too much sand over there. Zoom in here and show you what we're looking at. Also, when it's sandy like that, it's kind of hard to get out of the kayak without sinking down into some pretty deep sand. It can get kind of sketchy. But yeah, we're at about, I don't know, 1:30 in the afternoon now. We've been in the water for, I'd say, 3 hours, 3.5 hours. This is easy time, real easy, easy float. Well, you talk about an ancient rock bed here. I see signs of people being down here on their four-wheelers. That's beautiful. We'll see what we can find. We really have an enormous search area today. It's nice to have somebody else searching, but it's impossible to find everything, but there's a lot out here. One of the things I found that is intriguing me is this. I thought it was man-made when I saw it, and then I picked it up and it's like, no, that's stone. What would form that like that? So it's stuff like that that makes it fun, and the river is very safe today at a safe level for kayaking. The temperature's good. Appreciate you watching. Back on the water again. Say goodbye to that sandbar. We found bison teeth and found a gun case with a holster in it. It's about 4 o'clock, so we've been definitely taking our time. We've been on the water probably 6 hours, but it feels great. Weather's been perfect, so enjoy you coming along for the ride. This has been a lot of fun. I think we're going to be done, I don't know, maybe in an hour or so. Hard to say. We'll see. All right, 2 beautiful bald eagles right up there. Mutual of Omaha's people you can count on when the going's rough. Marlon Perkins and Jim get attacked by bald eagles. Yes. Yeah, the years have done a number on the bank, for sure. Not much current here at all. There's another kingfisher down there.
Yeah. Is that making the noise?
Yeah, I think so. Big gray bird. Yeah, we might be coming to our end, to the end of the run.